Good morning, everybody. Out here at Copart, actually afternoon. Yep, pick apart. They pick up cars here. They buy. Pretty packed today, as you can see. Van Nuys, California. Copart, lot 43. Got the trusty old Blazer. Just waiting for my car to get out. All right, be right back. Aha, there she is. Right on. Well, here she is. Not too bad. I'm glad I got a door. Yeah, the door's done. Aha, the driver's seat's good, nice. So only a little bit of rip. Smells good in here, nice. Not bad, not bad. Interior, yeah, better than I thought. Yeah. Cool. Let's see what's in here. Got everything in there. Wow. Ah, cool. It wasn't a rip. Looks like they had a baby seat. Alright, cool. Yeah, right there. Dang. That's an easy fix, though. Other than that, it is a clean car. Woo! Tires are gone. The wheels suck balls. Oh, wow. Alright. Radiator's done. Alright. Other than that, it's all here. Alright. See if it runs. Be right back. I had to record this real quick. Say what? You should check that out. Sport edition. Sport design. And then on the inside, look at that. Sport design. Huh. So this is a sport edition or something. Look at that. Even on the door sills. Sport edition. I think I scored. Alright, I'm back. I put the jumper on it. Let's see if it's got juice. 158, 138. Oh, got a ding. Ooh, we got a dash. How much gas we got? Cool, over half a tank. Oh, shit. Are you kidding me? Yeah, took it a couple of cranks, but it ran. Whew. Don't sound too great, but it runs good. It's smooth. Oh man, that scared me. It must have been sitting for a while because there was no gas. Alright, does the important window work? It sure does, yeah. Alright, let's get this thing loaded. We'll finish this stuff off at home. Alright, see you at home. Alright, she's all loaded up, ready to go. Turn signal working. Sweet. Be back. Alright, we're off, man. traffic already. All right, see you at home.